In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an image or object in front or behind another in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll take you through each step to make your PDF editing quick and easy. Whether you're working on a presentation, a report, or just organizing your digital files, understanding how to manipulate images can greatly enhance your document's layout. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're using the Pro version as it offers the comprehensive set of tools needed for this task. Locate your file either from the Adobe Acrobat dashboard or simply drag and drop it into the window to get going. Once your document is open, you'll notice the toolbar at the top. This is known as the global bar. Here you'll find various options for editing, commenting, or securing your PDF. Today we're focusing on the Edit tool, which you'll select from this bar. Now that you're in editing mode, scroll through your document to find the image or object you wish to move. Click on it to select it. Doing this not only highlights the image but also brings up multiple editing options around it, signifying that it is ready to be modified. It's crucial to ensure that only the object you intend to adjust is selected to prevent altering anything else accidentally. With your image selected, you'll need to access the context menu. This can be done by right-clicking directly on the image. A menu will pop up showing various actions you can perform. Here, keep an eye out for the option labelled Arrange Image. Hover your cursor over Arrange Image to reveal another set of options. This submenu lets you position your image relative to other elements in your document. Under this menu, you'll find two essential choices: Bring to front and Send to back. If you want the image to appear on top of other objects, Bring to front is your go-to option. Conversely, if you wish the image to be behind other content, select Send to Back. These commands adjust the layering, allowing for a cleaner and more organized visual presentation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can expertly move images or objects in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This small adjustment can make a big difference in enhancing your document's readability and aesthetics. As you grow more comfortable with these tools, your ability to finesse your PDF designs will undoubtedly improve. We hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.